mercy and blessings. Good morning, Adils. On this wonderful occasion, I'm here to give speech about Islam. Many still think that Islam is a religion about war. But actually, Islam has very beautiful sides, and we can apply it in our daily life. For example, Muslims live by referring the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The Messenger of Allah is a good role model and exemplifies the noble character that must be applied by every Muslim. Every apostle habits have nothing to harm. So we must exemplify the habits and the nature of the Prophet. Our daily life should not be far from Islamic values. From waking up to going to sleep again. In fact, the procedure for going to the bathroom, wearing clothes, even drinking and eating was arranged. It turns out that the visible value of Islam is not only regulated for individuals but also in social life. For example, in neighboring lives, we are obligated to maintain good relations. In fact, if someone cooks a smell to a neighbor's house, then we are asked to provide the food. So, Islam does have beautiful values, and it is not only natural that we implement these values in everyday life and community life. That's all for me. For the last, you would like to congratulate all the Hafiz and Hafizah for this graduation. May Allah bless you all and give the barakah. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.